Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Tales of Vesperia. So I still have no clue how you pronounce it, so I'm going to keep saying it like that. Please, I think I've asked this before, but please just put some write the pronunciation in the comments below, or link me to a website which has the pronunciation on. Oh, thingy. Let's click it.
I hope we'll finally be able to meet Flynn when we get to Nora Harbor.
I get the feeling we'll miss him again.
He could be passing by the foot of the hill right now, headed back to the capital.
But Flynn left us a letter. I'm sure he's waiting for us.
We'll see.
Why do we have to take such a convoluted path through this place anyway?
It's your fault.
How was I supposed to help that? Quit blaming other people and let's get moving. Otherwise, we'll end up missing him for sure.
Right. Let's hurry to Nora Harbor.
Okay, so we're going to make a right here. Let's make sure everything's recording. Yep, it's all working. We'll go up first. Oh, I want to use a stun.
Oh man. All right.
Destroy rock!
Oh shit, I did jump. That.
Destroy rock! Holy power, come to me! A flickering blaze burn! Holy power, come to me! Holy power, come to me!
Your thunder.
Holy power, come to me! Destroy rock! Destroy rock! Come to me!
You did it, Rita! Yeah, I guess. And you're so cool! I'm gonna go nuts.
How do you... Oh, chest. I just pissed him off, I think. Yep.
I'm gonna do it!
Yeah, I beat you into neck.
As a wolf strike. Okay. Okay, wolf strike 9 as a reg 5. Do maths, that should be 14. Collect off it. 14 and Azure Wolf Strike does 18, so it's not worth it. Five, 9. Oh, been using RS up, RS down. What was Wolf Strike? Okay, so that's a frontal attack, so if I go there. Okay, I got one for pull back. I want to reset all this. Okay, my normal move will be just a normal Azure Strike because, well, it's like a range type thing. Elemental moves will stick on the other thing, I think. As a wall strike, I'll stick there. Okay, flying strike, I'm gonna do severe strike at that. And we will have god damn it. That's down to which one? Destruction field, that's a ground attack. It's also a ground attack, but we'll put it there for now. That should be that setup done. Right. Quick run to this fight. Got him.
Piece of cake!
Don't get cocky. Hey, help me out when I'm casting.
All right, I'm on it. Take this.
Power, come to me.
Slash it. Go. Baby bird. No. This one is gone.
That Bodhi Blastia of yours. It's pretty, huh? That's not what I was gonna say.
What we got in here? Oh, lost connection. That's not a good sign. Holy water. 2,000 gold.
I feel like an easy win. Don't get cocky. A little test.
Nice lead smash!
Crushing eagle. Azure Edge. Azure Edge. Azure Edge. Azure Edge.
Okay, he's just an Azure Red. Feels like using items.
Yeah, I beat you into next week.
Next week? But can you really?
Right, and it's a dead end down here. Nothing whatsoever. Complete. That's a waste of time fighting that one. Right. Can you make a left or right? I'm gonna go right, because I think this is where we... I think actually we should be on the other side of the Blastia, I think. Don't want to get caught by the guards, thanks to you-know-who. But fine, I just won't go near the Blastia, alright? Okay, so we go to the left then. Turn to field map. Off we go. Oh, okay, I thought it would be like a quest and it was a bandit. So I'm not going to do the side quest stuff, I was going to go to the main quest because I was told it's over 50 hours of gameplay without the side quest alone.
You're using using too many arts.
Oh yeah, oops.
Nice down, quick, pick him up. Chop him down. Nice one.
It'll be 100 years before you can beat me.
Because you've lived a lot longer, right?
Not exactly.
How would you equip armor and stuff? I completely forgot about that as well. That was simple. Scimitar, agility goes up, but not by much. I would like to turn Yuri into like a speed class, but yeah. High quality throwing axe. And the only person who seems to wield it is Yuri. Why not? Okay, you do lose what's your game? I don't know. Why is it? Okay, there we go. I don't know. Keep physical defense, I think, for now. Carol, it's something heavy, so he'd probably benefit from it more. Yeah, he would. Just 'cause he's epic. Actually, can Yuri wear the armor he had on before? Okay, we're not. Let's move on. What was that?
Sorry if I hurt you.
Oh my god, trees! I'm not to go free because I couldn't get down these guys.
Blow you away!
Go for it.
Holy power, come to me!
Not bad.
I got a little worked up.
Magic guard. So, oh god damn it.
Let's get this over with.
Holy power, come to
That was awesome!
I got I'll admit though, the combat on this really does confuse me half the time. No, we want Estelies or Estelle. Cook. Yep, here's a little bit. Just want freedom, is that too much to ask? Wait, no, we're not going to the harbour. No, I don't want to go to the harbour just to get goddamn if I get attacked instead.
Oh man. Alright.
If I get some with this mage instead, or I can end up attacking instead. Oh, okay, fair enough.
Oh, caprice of innocent waters.
Could you be any more of a pain?
His face appears in the top corner, it seems unfazed by everything. Don't. Yes. Come on, I can do this. No, don't aggro. No, I got straight through the middle there. Yes. Just want to explore. Let me explore. Oh no, this game hates me. Oh no. Yes. The peak. The peak.
Guess we can do this.
Oh, he's swapping out Carol.
Could you be any more of a pain?
Got people with 2 skills there. Fair play to him. Come on, you fast. God damn it.
Man, could you be any weaker?
Don't get cocky.
Actually, it's a nice charge for that in the workers.
Sorry, thanks.
Chopping upwards, go!
I'm using items. Power hammer.
Take this! It'll be 100 years
Stay
before you can
focused.
beat me.
Because you've lived a lot longer, right?
Not exactly.
level up. Okay, no, please, no more surprise attacks. I'm trying to sneak back through. Go out. Map, god damn it. I wanted to stun, not the map. How
Guess we
could
can
you?
do this.
Nice base back. Oh, caprice of innocent waters. Pure pressure. Destroy
Chopping her up, go! Yes!
That was awesome!
Go Carol. Level up.
I feel...
Let's go. What's that? Oh. Let's go. Oh. No. No, stay away from me. I don't think you can actually get up here though, I'll have to double check to make sure. No, you can't. God, that's kind of a shame. Who doesn't know? Oh, there's nothing actually up there, you can see there's nothing up there, just thought it'd be nice to get up there. Straight down the path, I guess, and go straight to creature recording stuff. Yep, it's fine. Why did you doing that? No, stop it, no. I want you to stun. Here's the harbour. Beautiful weather. sometimes I wish I could have been this way forever, you know. Makes you impressive, or is he depressed?
Man, the weather sure changed in a hurry.
He did.
Let's find an inn before we get soaked.
Estelle, what is it?
Oh, I just thought a harbor town would be more lively than this.
Yeah, this isn't exactly how I imagined it either.
But it feels like the kind of place that core thief you're looking for would hang out.
The Decky was headed for Torum Harbor.
I'm sure the two are pretty similar.
No way. It's only Nor Harbor that's scummy like this.
What do you mean?
Nor Harbor is... It's all because of the Empire.
I told you what would happen to that little brat if you didn't have our money.
Please, sir. Not that. Please give me back my son. With this awful weather the last few months, we haven't been able to launch the boats. Surely you realize, sir, we can't hope to pay our taxes like this.
You'd better hurry up and capture that Ribgaro beast then, shouldn't you?
That's right. If you sell his horn, you'll never have to worry about taxes again. How many times do we have to tell you?
Savages.
Is that the sort of scum you were talking about, Carol?
Yeah, the Empire's influence is really strong here. I heard things got even worse with the new magistrate. He's some Imperial bigshot who does whatever he wants.
Which means there's no one to complain to if his henchmen act like that. But how can that be?
That's enough! You're hurt. You might even get yourself killed this time.
But it's our son. If I don't go... Ow! What are you trying to do?
Oh, sorry about that. Didn't see you there.
Yuri! My apologies, sir. Let me take care of that.
But I can't afford this treatment.
Don't you have something else to say?
Huh?
Jeez, you guys been robbed of your manners along with your money?
I'm sorry. Thank you most kindly.
Huh? Yuri?
Parted with everyone. Oh god damn it. We're suffering because of the console. In travelers, watch out, the magistrates in the city are evil. Not only do they take taxes from their citizens, they also make travelers pay. What do I... guys that should wander around for a bit? It's a cat. I get it. I mean, what? Wanted a vicious fugitive at large, dressed in black, with front buttons, male, long black hair. If seen, contact the still night. Oh god. Something's not right. It's a shop. Welcome. No, okay. Done. It's the ninja chef. Yes, you found me. You're pretty good. I'll teach you to cook as a reward. Sorbet. Sorbet. I don't know. I'll give you this so you can practice. Hang on. And I'm back, right, yeah, sorry, pretty quick send this voice message back or whatever the hell it was. Gotta go to him again. And, so, off we go. And... I apologise for the background noise, I really do. I'll go... I can't stop it, I apologise deeply. I really do, I know how annoying it is. Oh, especially when it's stuck on a dial repeat like that. Okay, I'll go, I see. Bye bye. Oh my god, please, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Right, sort this out. God damn it. I'm so confused right now. I'm supposed to be just going out to the alleyway where he was. I'm sorry I keep disappearing for the last 5 seconds. It's just the background noise. Well, the first time was a phone thing, but... second time was the background noise. Are these all stools? You know... none of you in business. Seriously, just stall. Oh, okay. Oh no, it's flipping Assassin's Creed.
Guess we can do this.
I suppose we could.
I'll blow you away! Azure will strike! Destruction field!
I know I'm not good at fighting. There we go. I could try to do all this better. Oh, you jumping off the job.
Slice!
So, come on.
Slice!
Come on, go. What? There we go.
Damn, it's not over yet.
Item bro.
Hey, I learned something.
Nice.
Yuri, are you all right?
Flynn, what are you? Hey, that's my line.
I've been looking all over for you.
That one was mine too. That was about to get ugly.
All right.
Whoa, hold on! What are you doing?
Yuri, I'm happy to see you're finally seeing the world outside the barrier.
So, be a little more happy then. Stop pointing that thing at me.
Well, I got a little less happy when I saw this.
Hey, it's up to 10,000 gold. Nice.
I didn't think when you quit the Knights that you'd take up a life of crime.
A lot of things have happened, Flynn. It's not that simple.
Simple or not, a crime is a crime.
Good to see you're as stubborn as always. Uh-oh.
Yuri, I heard something happened. Are you all...
Perfect timing.
Flynn! Oh, Flynn, are you all right? Have you been hurt?
I'm fine. Lady
He takes
Esteliz.
opportunity literally just to run. You're a bloody genius.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just so happy to see you.
Please, this way.
What? But Flynn, there's something I need to tell you.
I'd better go find Carol and Rita.
Okay, it's a hunt for Carol and Rita. Shop? Dice Master's house. What's up here? Can I go here. Here's the back door, I got in. Okay. Here's the back door, I got in. Looks like the man's handwriting. Ooh, where's, oh, really? Luna, stop pushing your ball into the door. Stupid dog. Oh, she's doing it again, goddamn. This is what Matt used when camping outdoors, restores 25% of max HP and TP. I don't want to spend too much, just buy 5 for now. Taxes are high and the shop is not profitable. Could you please buy more? Oh, I'm just gonna cut. Ooh. Oh yeah. Some guy just dragged Estelle right by us. Are they both inside the inn? Yep, so the other guy was Flynn then. Yeah, well. You might not be able to get a word in edgewise if you went in now. Seemed like they might have been there for a while, one at a time walking around town a bit. Sure, okay. Still, repeat! Oh, how are you doing? Oh, he's whimpering. Oh, I'm sorry, repeat. But there's nothing to do. Just to go back in, let's just do this now. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. It comes to a come back to the front later. Not exactly in a major rush. Save though, just in case I accidentally get power cut or something, because that has happened before and that really made me want to cry. Hahaha, let's just take it easy, the life is short. To be spent in comfort. I'm not scared of the magistrate, I'm a noble. I'm a noble, goddammit. I tell you, this is what I can't speak. 300 gold a night! Thank you, come again. I'm gonna have to do it house low, screw it. Go over, go. We'll sleep. Estelle's health is gonna be so low. Thank you, come again. I should have waited.
I guess the Empire likes to throw its weight around no matter where you go. Before I left the capital, I didn't know or care about anything besides the lower quarter.
It's not everywhere, but I feel like the Empire's influence is especially strong on Ilikia. They can do whatever they want since there aren't any major guilds on Ilikia.
We can't just let it stay this way.
Anyway guys, I'm going to end this episode here. Like, comment, subscribe if you've enjoyed, and as always, cheers for watching.